Tired of those intrusive ads hijacking your YouTube viewing? We've all been there. That perfectly timed ad breaking your concentration. But what if I told you there are effective ways to reclaim your uninterrupted viewing? Today, we're diving into how to turn off ads on YouTube videos, ensuring a smoother, more enjoyable experience. Our first, and often most popular method, involves browser extensions for desktop users. Ad blockers like AdBlock or Public Origin are incredibly effective. Simply head to your browser's extension store, search for a reputable ad blocker, and click Add to Chrome or your respective browser. Once installed, these extensions run automatically in the background, detecting and blocking most ads before they ever appear. Now, for those who prefer a more integrated and supported solution, especially on mobile, there's YouTube Premium. Subscribing to YouTube Premium not only removes all ads across all your devices, but also unlocks additional benefits. Think background playback so your music continues when you switch apps, offline downloads for on-the-go viewing, and access to YouTube Music. While it's a paid subscription, many find the ad-free experience and extra features well worth the investment for continuous, high-quality content consumption. So whether you opt for a free browser extension or the comprehensive features of YouTube Premium, you can now enjoy your favorite content without those annoying interruptions. Happy watching.